news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 7 from verse 24 to verse 37. Jesus helped a woman we are not Jew. After that, Jesus left and go a Tyre area. Him go in a one house and he never want nobody to know same day, but he couldn't hide. One woman in the area did have one little girl picnic when demon did control. Same time she hear about Jesus, she go to him and drew up herself for him foot. The woman did talk Greek and she belonged to the Syrophoenician tribe. She begged Jesus to run out the demon out her daughter. But Jesus answered say, make the picnic them eat them belly full first, cause it not right if you take the picnic them food and give dog. So she answered him say, Lord, that are true. But even the dog them under the table, name the crumbs them we drop from the picnic them. Then Jesus said to her, say, you see, Seeker, where you say, you can go on home. The demon gone out of your picnic. When she reached home, she see her picnic lie down upon her bed and the demon gone out of her. Jesus make one man get better. After that, Jesus left the Tyre area and go through Sidon, go to Lake Galilee in the area named Decapolis. Some people carry one man where the deaf and we could have barely talk to Jesus. Them beg him to just touch him. Jesus take the man one side, move him out of the crowd, put him finger in his ears, spit, and then touch the man's tongue. Then him look up in the sky, give out a sigh, and say, Ephata. That mean open up. Same time, the man ears open up and his tongue loose up and he start talk good. But Jesus ordered the people them not to tell nobody about what happened. But them couldn't keep quiet. They spread it more and more. And all who hear did well shock. Them say, him do everything good. Him all make people with the deaf ear and people with the dumb talk. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.